Alrighty, hey everyone, it is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's check out this 2020 Corolla XLE. It is going to be super wide with the macadamia Softex interior. And I haven't filmed a new generation XLE quite yet. So some of the key features on the XLE that we'll give you over the LE, of course, is you do have the upgraded LED headlights, as well as standard alloys, those Softex seats. You have a moonroof up top, as well as smart key heated mirrors with blind spot and the 7-inch digital cluster screen, just to name a few things. Didn't have a chance to run it through the wash as the washer is seeing maintenance right now, so please excuse if it is a little dusty. But checking out those included alloys, they're going to be these 16-inch alloys running on Dunlop tires with rear disc brakes. And then with no options on this one, it's going to be $24,995. 29 city, 37 out on the highway. As you know, there is also a hybrid variant of the Corolla now. That could be a great option if you want a little bit more MPG. XLE badging right there on the rear trunk lid. Shark fin antenna. And then smart key access, so hand behind the door handle to unlock. With 24 miles on this one, foot on the brake, button to start. Nice little start animation right there. And we'll check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, you do have the 1.8 liter dual overhead cam i4, making 139 horsepower, 126 torque, going to the front wheels through a CVT. As you know, on the SE and the XSE trims, you do get a 2 liter. This is the 1.8. There's 2 engine variants and the hybrid powertrain, making it 3. So let's go ahead and check out that interior. Before coming in, over your side mirrors, they are going to be body color, turn zone indicators. They are heated with your blind spot monitoring, as we said. And then coming in, we do have that macadamia two-tone Softex interior. Does look very nice with your power seats, power lumbar as well. Two-tone door panels with piano trim. Power windows, locks, and mirrors with door storage. And then coming in, tilt and telescoping leather-wrapped wheel. It's going to be 3 spokes with your D-pad for that center LCD. As you can see, you can go through all of the different settings with Bluetooth, voice commands, audio controls, TSSP 2.0 with your lane trace, dynamic radar cruise, as well as your regular cruise controls right there. Automatic LED headlights with your high beams and tap to 3 blinks blinkers. Over on the right, those variable wipers, and then stitching up on the top part of your dash, even down below here. And your upgraded head unit. Going home, as you can see, this split screen view, and then going to your audio, checking out your sources, AM, FM, XM, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary right there. Then going to your menu, you do have your Apple CarPlay projection right here, so just go ahead and connect up your phone via USB. Below that, single zone automatic climate control with your temperature right here. Press automatic and leave it, or you can manually control your fan speed and your zones right here. There is an eco function as well. Storage and your dual stage heated seats right there. USB and auxiliary right over here on the dash. Sport mode for your CVT, continuously variable transmission. Going in reverse, you do have a rear backup camera right there. Parking brake, as well as your cup holders. Nice stitched armrest with a USB and a 12 volt. And then your glove box nice and damp with owner's manuals. Manually dimming rearview mirror. Mirror and vanity lights up top. You do have your power sliding automatic moonroof, SOS Safety Connect, and your interior illumination. We'll go ahead and close that up. Very premium interior in the XLE. So let's check out the rear seat. And coming back here, as you can see, that Softex does follow through, two-tone. Cup holders right there in your armrest, as well as your adjustable headrest up top. The roof does cave back up to make room from your sunroof. Cornering handles, dome light, same two-tone door panels, piano trim, stitching. Do look very nice back here in the rear seat. And coming to your cargo area, just go ahead and pop your trunk. Please excuse that wind noise. Little membrane underneath your Toyota logo right there. And you have a nice lined trunk lid with emergency release. 60/40 folding rear seats. Everything is trimmed really nicely back here. You do have your temporary spare tire. Definitely not a given nowadays, especially in the compact segment. Most people are cutting that corner. Great to see Toyota hasn't. And that just about wraps it up for the XLE Corolla. Of course, if you guys are interested in this vehicle, feel free to check out Massey Toyota's information. It is going to be in the description below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.